Hey adventurers, did you know that 85% of hikers say the right gear makes or breaks their trail experience? Today, we're counting down the best hiking tech gear to keep you warm, nimble, and unstoppable. And guess what? All product links are waiting in the description. No need to scribble notes mid-climb. Let's dive in. First up, the Senllen Balaclava, your face's new best friend. This fleece ninja mask isn't just windproof, it's a shapeshifter. Wear it as a neck warmer, half mask, or full-on ski bandit mode. Adjustable strings, check. Four-way stretch, double check. Perfect for hiking, snowboarding, or pretending you're in a spy movie. Just don't blame us if squirrels mistake you for a Yeti. Next, the Herobiker. Long johns, thermal underwear so cozy, you'll forget it's winter. Silky soft lining meets four-way stretch for maximum mobility. Ski slopes, morning jogs, or couch surfing, these'll keep you toasty. Pro tip, pair 'em with the balaclava, and you'll be the Michelin Man's stylish cousin. GadgetsPrimer.com says they're a hit for snowboarders who hate frostbite. Cold hands? Meet FanVince winter gloves. Touchscreen fingertips mean you can text "brr" without frostbiting your thumbs. Water-resistant, windproof, and grippy palms. Yes, please. They're like a handshake with a fireplace. Bonus, they come in 5 sizes. Ladies, size down unless you want flappy glove fingers mid-selfie. Ladies, the MoFiz hybrid jacket is here to save you from bulky puffers. Windproof? Absolutely. Lightweight, just 390 grams. It's got pockets galore, zippered hand pockets, secret inner compartments, perfect for snacks, keys, or hiding from trail companions. Wear it solo or layer up. Either way, you'll look cooler than a mountain summit. Last but not least, premium foldable hiking poles. Made of aircraft aluminum, these badgers collapse to 15 inches, ideal for backpack ninjas. Adjustable heights, cork grips, and tested in the Rockies. They're basically Gandalf's staff for mortals. GadgetsPrimer.com confirms 250,000 hikers can't be wrong. Trail tested, squirrel approved. There you have it. Gear that'll turn your hike from meh to majestic. Head to GadgetsPrimer.com for price comparisons, top picks, and more tech magic. Smash that like button, subscribe, and go conquer those trails. Until next time, keep those boots muddy.